Namaste viewers, welcome back to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Here I have brought again a very interesting and nutritious recipe for you all my viewers. You can see there it's a bottle gourd, so it's a bottle gourd cutlet without potato and no deep frying. So it's a very healthy pack. Generally when you cook, the nutrients are reduced from the vegetables. So here I have tried with a shallow frying process for cutlet and without potato. So it's purely a bottle gourd with only using masalas and required flours, so which I will be discussing in the preparation process. So let's quickly move on for the ingredients and preparation process, my viewers. Now let's check out the preparation process. I have taken here bottle gourds. I have cut them into round slices. You can see here the thickness, not too thin or not too thick. It should be a medium sizes of thickness. So I have taken here one medium size bottle gourd and I have cut them and kept it ready. I am going to take a bowl and going to mix all the flour one by one. That is, I have taken gram flour besan, 5 to 6 tablespoons of gram flour I am going to add first. Next goes all purpose flour, that is maida, equal proportion 6 tablespoons. Then I am adding to it rava, 6 tablespoons of rava. Just give a gentle mix. Then I am going to add all the masalas item, that is red chili powder, two tablespoons of red chili powder, next goes coriander, pepper and garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of each, and Kashmiri red chili powder. Asafoetida ing, I am adding 1 teaspoon. Next goes, according to the taste, salt. Spices and salt you can adjust according to your taste. I am adding little black salt to it for the flavor and taste. Give a mix and pour water for mixing it for a thick batter. You should not make it very thin, because as I am going to show you a shallow fry process, not a deep fry. So keep the batter thick. Gradually add water and mix well. Now you can check out here, I have mixed the batter. It is in this form, not too much porous or not too much thick. Then only this mixture will bind to our bottle gourd layer, both the layers. So now I am going to show you here. On the other hand, I have heated the white pan. I have heated the white pan and I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So let's go for the coating process for bottle gourd. I am taking one bottle gourd. Just have to slit on both the sides. Like this way, and I have coating it into two sides. Either breadcrumbs you can take, or I am coating it with, nicely I am coating it with cornflakes. See here. Now you place it in the tawa one by one like a cutlet. See the other one I am going to show you. Similar way you have to do all the bottle gourd rings. Now you can see I have made it 5 to 6 bottle gourds, and I am going to slit it after 2 minutes. Gently slit it. You can see here the masala is well cooked, one edge, one side. You can either add breadcrumbs or cornflakes, or even without adding also you can directly add with the batter. You can see here it is well combined. It is not coming, the coating is not coming outside. It is well combined with the vegetable. You have to keep the flame throughout process in a very low flame, so that all the flour will be cooked thoroughly without raw flavor, and even the bottle gourd will be cooked. After giving a slit, you can add 2 tablespoons of oil. It's a very interesting and healthy snacks recipe. Usually children will not eat bottle gourd. It is very rich in water content. So I am not deep frying it, because how much ever you go for a cooking process, the nutrient content is being removed from the vegetables. So I am just giving a shallow touch, shallow fry. So till you get that golden brown color and you get a good flavor and smell of masalas, that time you can think that the product is completely cooked. You can see here it's very crispy from outside, and it will be very tender and soft from inside. Once cooked, I will show you. Just it takes a very short time of our cooking. Within 15 minutes you can prepare this for evening snacks, or even for a home get together party. You can give it as a good presentation. Now you can check out here. You can just give a prick with the fork, help of a fork. You can see here it's not sticky, so it means the bottle gourd is also well cooked from inside. It looks like a perfect crunchy cutlet without potato I am using. Generally cutlet goes with potato combination, but here I am not using potato at all. I have just used the flours, that is gram flour, maida and rava. Rava gives you a crunchy flavor. If you have a corn flour or rice flour, you can add instead of maida also. As a pandemic situation going at present, I am not having those flours. So I have used maida. Otherwise you can even avoid maida. You can use corn flour, or you can use rice flour. Rice flour is more better option than maida or corn flour also. So you can give it for the children, they will love to eat. And you can have it with the tea time. I am going to switch off the stove at this time. I am going to take it in a serving plate, one by one. Here I have taken my cutlets into a serving plates. I have served with tomato ketchup. You can even go with the serving of green chutney also. I am garnished with onions rolls. You can take even corianders or spring onions also. You can see here the cutlet is very crunchy outside and very soft inside. You can see here. So the layers are well packed. So here goes my beautiful bottle gourd cutlet. I hope you like my recipe and you will try and give like and share my recipes. If you are interested, do subscribe my channel Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. I hope you'll try and give me a feedback. Meet you all soon with a very another interesting nutritious recipe. Thank you viewers and enjoy happy eating.